Invisalign is a series of clear plastic aligners that you change every couple of weeks for ones that are slightly different shaped. And over the course of the treatment, they just pull, push, twist, move your teeth to where they need to be. And it works really well. Adults these days don't tend to want to wear train trap braces that you see kids wearing. And so it's really popular with our patients that want a more discreet way of improving their smile. So the way the Invisalign process works is you'll come in for your complimentary consultation, in which we'll look at your teeth, we'll assess your suitability for Invisalign, and then we'll take a series of photos as well as a 3D scan. And this will allow us to show you what your teeth would look like after we've straightened them, which is one of the fantastic things about digital dentistry these days. At that point, if you're wanting to proceed, I'll then treatment plan the case properly, and we'll get the aligners manufactured and posted over, which typically takes about a month for them to come over from America. We'll then put them in your mouth, show you what to do, show you how to look after them, and we'll typically see you every 6 or 8 weeks throughout the course of the treatment, just to keep an eye on things and how they're going. Treatment lengths vary from 3 up to 18 months, depending on the complexity of the case, and this is also what determines the price. Typically, prices range between $3,500 and $6,500, depending on how many aligners are needed and how much movement of teeth is needed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.